Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Fahan bin Kamar Amri. And today I would like to present about our mini project, which is the title is Tripartite Legal Agreement for Community Technology Expo in 2025. And after that, I would like to present our group members, which is for the first one is Muhammad Zuhaili bin Zulkifli, and my name is Muhammad Ashraf Fahmi Kamara Amri, which is the second one, and the third one is Muhammad Azam bin Muhammad Zahid, and the fourth Amirul Saidi bin Hamzah. And after that, I would like to present our introduction, which is from the background. This mini project presents a legal framework from organizing a community technology expo in 2025 that involving three primary parties, which is landlord, event manager, and even participants. And this agreement aims to ensure smooth collaboration, clear responsibilities, and legal protection for all parties. And after that, um, I would like to present for the second part, which is the legal agreement framework, which is for the first one from the legal agreement framework is identification of parties, which is for the first one is um, landlord, and which is the Mr. Ahmad bin Saleh, which is the owner of the Technology Hall Convention Center in Kuala Lumpur. And after that, to identification of parties is event manager, which is the Ventures Sendirian Berhad, and represented by Miss Sarah Tan. And after that, for the last identification of parties is participants, which is the individual vendors, exhibitors, and attendants registered for the expo. Alright. Okay. And for the I will back the first one, which is I will show the PNMB Ventures, the which is the logo. And after that, it's still in identification of parties, which is this is exhibitor registration form of event exhibitor registration. Yes, for the form event. Okay. And after that, for the second one for legal agreement framework, which is purpose and scope to organize and manage the Community Technology Expo in 2025, scheduled to take place from March 14 until 16 in 2025, which is showcasing local innovation in technology. And as you can see here, this is responsibilities of an event manager, which is we show the all responsibilities in event manager. All right. That's all for me. After that, I will pass to my group members.
Now I will explain the event detail. Date March 14 to 16, 2025. The event will last for 3 days, giving everyone enough time to enjoy all the activity. Time: the event start as 10 a.m. and end as 8 p.m., allowing plans of the time for all the activity throughout the day. Next, the location. The event will take place as a large competitive center with two halls, Hall A and Hall B, including enough space for everyone. we have four activity. First, product demo. You can check out the latest tech product demo for different company and try the out. Tech talk. April will share the news about the latest trends in technology. Net fruit stay. The a variant of food stay available, so there's something for everyone to enjoy. Last, competitive. Take part of fun. Tech competitive. You can you can show off your skill and win great prizes. Next, uh, Hall A, waiting booth and the main stage will be set up here. Hall B. This hall will be designed for food and beverages. Next, role for participant. Participant must know etiquette with electrical setup. Noise level show no set the allow limit. Next, you can see this is event retail agreement. Untuk raise to landlord RM 15,000 pay by the event manager. Participant booth fee RM 500 per booth to be paid by February 50, 2025. We late payment of RM 50 per day we charge for late payment. Next, event management responsibility. Also necessary permit. Us request permit for the event. Manage security and control crowd flow during the event. Uh, Recruit first kit and fire safety equipment are available for overseas setup and touchdown and booth. Supervise the setup and remove of booth before and after event.
Okay, hi. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zuhaili bin Zulkifli and my matrix number is 2213933202. Okay, for my part, I will explain about participant obligation first. So, which is first to adhere to event schedule, maintain booth cleanliness, avoid prohibited items such as like fire hazards, and also lastly to respect IP and trademark laws. As you can see here, the rules and regulation for event management, one of the example. And next, about the liability and indemnification, which is first to the event manager holds liability for accidents due to poor coordination. Second, to participants responsible for personal property and damages caused. And lastly, the landlord is not liable for participant negligence. As you can see here, the planning and also the execution. Next, about the insurance requirement, which is the event manager must have public liability insurance worth around 1 million ringgit, and the participants encourage to insure expensive equipment. And lastly, for my part, is about dispute resolution, which is first initial resolution via mediation, and also to if unresolved arbitration under the Malaysian Arbitration Act 2005. And lastly, the legal jurisdiction, which is at Kuala Lumpur High Court. As you can see here, the dispute resolution, collaborative law, mediation, conciliation, negotiation, facilitation, ombudsman, lawsuit, and arbitration. Okay, I think that's all from me. I will pass to my friend next. Thank you.
Hello and selamat sejahtera. My name is Amir Saidi bin Hamzah, 2213936999. And for my part, I'll be talking about legal agreement framework for the termination and amendment. The amendment for this one, either party may terminate with 14 days notice, and the breach allow for immediate termination, and the amendment must be in writing and signed by all parties. And here we can see that this is the termination agreement, which is all the parties have to write, and also we have the witness for two witness and two parties. Here's for the down here you can see there's a witness slot for party 1, and also party 2 has another witness. And next one that we're talking about, the signature and execution. All party must sign by February 1, 2015, by February 1st, 2025 for the agreement to take effect. And this is the event planning contract. And here you can see this is the contract, which all the information that they need. Of course, there's a cancellation by the client as well. And the next one we'll be talking about is the breach of agreement and action. This one, if the participant violate any terms, or they don't do like any paying fees or violate any rules, the following action may be taken. And here's one of those the example. So breach type. Let's say if the party has like they pay late, like late payment, they will be fined and possible both forfeiture. I mean they have to get even more value. Means if they did not pay the certain amount, it will increase. The next one is unauthorized activities, which is anything that violate the rules. It will get immediate injection from the event, and if there's a property damage, they will get full compensation demand, which they have to pay. Then the last thing that we have here is the legal violation that will be reported to authorities and legal action. Of course, they will take legal action for that one. The next one is the conclusion, which is the last one. The last one is conclusion. This project highlight the importance of a well-structured legal agreement in event management. Clearly defining roles, rights, and responsibility help prevent dispute and ensure accountability. As real-world events involve multiple stakeholders, such agreements serve as critical tools for professional conduct and legal appliance. And here's the three as SDG that we have. There is the 9, there is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. We got 12, responsible consumption and production, peace, justice, and strong institutions. And finally, we get ourselves the appendix, the signature page, which because we do not have the legal for their signature, we put it blank. So here's the landlord for this particular subject. That we use the landlord is Ahmad bin Saleh, and date is February 1st, 2025, and the event manager is Sarah Tan, the CEO, same date also, and the participant John Lee, and the exhibitor, and the same date as well. And that is all. Thank you. That is all from my team and from me. Thank you for